Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. In this video, we're going to cover how to toggle and change our crosshatch options for tile products. Let's start by applying some tile to a room. Right-click on the tile and go to View Modify. From here, we'll be able to select from a variety of different crosshatches for this tile. Like always, let's click Save before exiting. Now, to turn on the hatch view, click the Options drop-down menu under the View tab of the toolbar and toggle on Tile Piece Hatch and Product Hatch. We can also toggle on Hatch as black if needed. If we just toggle Tile Piece Hatch off, we will get an overall hatch view for the whole pattern in the room. This can be helpful if the tiles are very small and the design looks too busy. We can always go back into the View Modify details of the product to change the color or hatch style if we are looking for a different design or need to differentiate it better from another tile. These options are very useful if the diagram will be printed in grayscale, as it will be much easier to differentiate different tiles, especially if there are many in one room. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.